this is my inspiration for today, and I wanted to try to break something like this down and do this as easy nail art. So what I already did to start out is I used a white milky base, and it doesn't matter if it's gel polish or potted gel. So the one I used is from EnVogue. It's called All Steamed Up, or you can use a potted gel. So it doesn't matter which one you want to use, as long as it's a milky white base, you're good. The foil that I used is this, and this is almost like an oil slick kind of foil. It has a blue, almost like a rose gold and a yellow to it. You're going to take your foil gel, doesn't matter which one you use. I have two that I like. This is the one I'm going to use. If you want to see a whole step-by-step on how to use transfer foils, check out this video in the corner. So you're going to take your tips and you're going to put one coat of the transfer foil down, and I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Because I want to pick out an area of the foil that I want. I'm going to go somewhere over here on this side. Put this on. I'm going to work the center going out like this, just to make sure that the foil comes in contact with the foil gel. Now with this, since we're doing multiple layers, it's okay if everything doesn't cover, because we have two more layers coming up and you have that milky white base underneath. So when you're done, just pop that off. And if you need to touch up a couple spots, just go in and do that like this. Okay. And we're going to repeat the same process with this. Put that on. Go from center out. Now that you got both of these done, next up you want to add your glitter. These are the two glitter gels that I am using. This one is from Profiles Backstage. It's their holographic gel polish, and that is the name. This one, when you look at it, this one is insanely fine, and it's a holographic blue. But you can see the particles of the glitter gel in here are almost as fine as, let's say, a chrome powder. Then you have something like this from Elegance. This is color #Glam, and this is what it looks like. And you can see, compared to the gel polish, this one's slightly a little bit, this one's obviously more chunkier, but both of these will give you a really cool result at the end. You don't want a full coverage. You still want to be able to see that foil underneath. So what you want to do is you want to take your brush and wipe off as much of the product as you can. Then you're going to take this and you're going to dry brush it, and as you go, just go back into the bottle and wipe everything off. So you still want the glitter gel there, but you want to be able to see the foil underneath. I'm going to do the same thing as the other one. I find with this one, the glitter gel, the glitter is chunkier than the gel polish. I find you don't need to dry brush this as much because this one is finer than this one. So it all depends when you're doing a look like this, what kind of glitter gel you want to use. I find that a glitter gel, whether it's a gel polish or a potted glitter gel like this, works better than a loose glitter. While that is curing in the lamp, the next step you want to do is you want to add chrome powder, and that is going to be your finishing touch to get everything to look like these in reference to the reference photo right over here. So I played around with a couple different chrome powders, and I find that with this look, the best one for me is something like this. And you can see that this is a white chrome powder, but when I rotate this, it kind of has like that indigo violet reflection to it. So now what you want to do when applying your chrome powder, you need a shiny, no wipe top coat. And lately the top coat I've been reaching for my chrome powder is from Magic Gel, and this is the TACKLESS Hyper Shine top coat. You have to play around with your lamp to see how long you need the top coat in there for your chrome powder. So the lamp that I am using, I find that if I keep this top coat in there around 5 to 6 seconds, then I get a really good finish with my top coat. If I keep the nail in the lamp for the full 60 seconds according to the manufacturer, then I will have trouble with my top coat. Dip this in and apply that right. Do the same thing with this one. Pop that in the chrome and apply this right on. And you can see as I'm applying this, that kind of like underline, like velvet, like violet indigo color to this chrome kind of already adds that much more to this look. I'm going to go in with the shiny top coat. If you want to do a matte top coat, go right ahead. But with this look, I want shiny. I want to see every single nook and cranny. I want to see that depth and dimension. And look at that with the shiny top coat. That looks amazing. Here is the final look. So the two in the center are the ones that I just did, and the two on the outside were my practice nails. Here is the reference photo. And as I asked before, let me know which one do you like in the comments. Do you like this look over here where it's a finer glitter gel polish, or do you like this one right over here? And everything I use, as always, will be listed in the description of my video. If anyone has any questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you soon. Bye.